In 2010, LinkedIn created Kafka. Now the whole tech industry is actually using Kafka as a message broker. But currently, LinkedIn is moving out of Kafka because Kafka is not able to handle the traffic currently LinkedIn have. So if we talk about the traffic currently LinkedIn have, they have 1.2 billion plus user, and every single day they process 32 trillion amount of message. Can you imagine how big or how this traffic is and how hard to handle this much amount of traffic? So the problem with Kafka is, the first thing is, when Kafka has a lot of node, at that time Kafka choose only one particular node as a main controller, and in that controller itself all the metadata related to all the topic, all the partition, everything they keep in that same controller itself. And LinkedIn have hundreds and thousands of partition to handle this much amount of traffic. So it's this controller itself is a bottleneck. The next problem is, as one particular broker have a lot of big partition, at that time if somehow this goes down, migrating this data to a different node itself is a very hectic task. To solve this issue, they come up with a new solution called Northguard. Here, instead of one controller, they will have multiple controller. Instead of big partition size, they will use 1 GB, 1 GB, 1 GB small segment and ranges. So migrating one node to another node is very easy.